Hello everyone, welcome to day 12 of our Python series. I am Suresh Kumar Tulsiram. Over the past 11 days, we have built a solid foundation covering everything from installing Python to variables, operators, strings, lists, and tuples. Today, we are moving on to one of the most powerful data structures, dictionaries. They let us store data as key value pairs for easy organizations and access. We will cover what dictionaries are, how to create and use them, and see practical examples you can try right away. Let's dive into make day 12 another big step in your Python journey. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is an unordered, mutable collection of key value pairs defined using curly braces. Okay, with keys and values separated by colons. Person equal to name, alias, age, 30. These are the keys and values. Keys is name and age is keys. Alias 30 is a value. So creating and accessing dictionaries. You have to remember key and value, no? So car equal to brand Toyota, model Camry, year 2022. Here brand, model, year, these are the keys. Values are Toyota, Camry 2022. These are the key values. Dictionary is a key value pair. Please remember ever. Adding and modifying entries. Simply you can add by declaring one variable and you start filling the data. Key value like car equal to brand Toyota, model Camry, year 2022. And further you want to add another car, color equal to red, car year equal to 2023, like that you can add. These are the way you can add the data. Keys to remember del command. Del car model. The model will be removed. The key you have to mention here. Okay, that model key values both will be removed by this command. I will show you the demonstration, then you will learn further. Useful dictionary methods. If you write keys in a command, return list of all the keys. Values, it return all the list of values. Items, if you put both the key and value come from the tuples. Get key default returns value for key or default if not found. Pop key removes and return value by key. Update dictionary with another dictionary. Dictionary methods. You can see here persons is equal to name Bob, city is New York. If you put the print person dot keys, it will show only name and city. Person dot values, you see it shows Bob and New York. Person dot items, it shows both keys and values. Person dot get age default is not applicable shows. Now we will see hands-on example how to add, remove and update items. Now the variable inventory equal to apples 5, bananas 10. So inventory stores the item, apples, key item is apples, bananas and value is 5 and 10. Okay. Then if you want to add further, inventory oranges equal to 7. Then you can see inventory, it included apples 5, bananas 10 and oranges 7 will be there. Right. Now inventory dot pop bananas, it means bananas key will be removed. Then the remaining will be apples and oranges only. Now in fourth step you will see inventory dot update PS 4. It means PS is 4 will be added to the inventory. Okay. Now if you print and inventory and see apples 5 is there, oranges 7 is there, pears 4 also will be there. So the keys are apples, oranges, pears. Values are 5, 7 and 4. In this way we are actually add, remove, update items in a dictionary. Now day 12 recap dictionaries in Python. Today we explored dictionaries Python's powerful data structure for strong key value pair. Creating dictionaries we learn to use curly braces with the key value pairs like name, alias. Accessing and modifying it. Use dictionary key to get or update values. Add new key value pairs directly. Key methods covered keys, values, items for accessing different dictionary views and get safely retry values, pop, remove item by key, update, add or modify multiple key value pairs at once. Practical examples help reinforce these concepts so you can start using dictionaries confidently in your Python program. So that wraps up day 12 of our Python learning journey. Dictionaries are essential for handling structured data, making your code clear and more efficient. Practice using them in your projects and experiments. In our next session, we will dive into another exciting topic to expand your Python skill even further. Until then, keep coding and stay curious. You are doing great. Meantime, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends and other known persons. Thank you. Welcome coders. Let us go for the demonstration of dictionary examples. First we will start up with create of dictionary. I will declare one variable here, student, which is equal to, I am going to inside one key name, and we have to put colon here. This is key, name is a key, and the actual name is alias is the value. Okay, then I type age one key, then I type the actual age. Now I type major is the key, I'll type computer science. No, major is the key, computer science is the value. Now press enter. Now you see type of student is dictionary. Okay, then print student, it will show all the values of the variable student. So here you see name, age, major is the keys, alias 20, computer science is the values. Okay, now how to access these values, let us see. So simply type the student and within box bracket, okay, you type the key name or age or major, whatever it is, it will display the value. So key is the input and the output will be the value. Okay, this way we can access the value by key. Okay, now you want to add the value in it. Now you could have seen that in student name, age, major and the values are there. Now we want to add one more. I want to change this value to 21. Age is 20 now, no? I want to change it to 21. I'll do that. So simply type the variable name student and type age, which is equal to 21. Simply type the key age and equal to the values, the new value. Now you see the value is changed to 21. Previously it was 20. So you have to type the key within square bracket using the variable student and equal to the new value 21. Like that you have to change it. Okay. Now how to remove the item? How to remove a key value pair? Okay, that command is del, then type the variable name student, and I wanted to delete major. So major should be deleted. So you type within quotes that key name major box and you press enter, that would be deleted. Print student, you can see that major portion is deleted. This way you have to delete. Okay, how to get all the keys, values and items? What is keys here? Name is a key, age is a key. These are the keys, major is key. Values are alias 21, computer science is the values. How to get that? Simply type student dot keys. It will show all the keys. See, the dictionary keys are name and age because we have deleted major. Okay, it shows all the keys in it. Now if I type values, it will show all the values of the keys. You got it? When you type keys, it will actually display all the keys. If you type values, it will display all the values. Now if you say items, please remember it will show both keys and values. Okay, this way it should be accessed. Okay. Now next is nested dictionary. I will declare one variable for that. I declared school. In school, there will be teacher and student, right? In class 1, class 2, we will take two classes, one class 1 and class 2. First, we will type one class 1, class 1, which is the key. Class 1 is the key. Within that, there will be teacher, one more key, and value is Mr. Smith, comma, then one more, students is the key. How many students? 20 students, okay, like that. So clearly see, class 1 is the key. Inside the teacher and the students also it's the key, and the value is Mr. Smith and 20. This is one dictionary, and the dictionary. Class 2, then again teacher, there will be a different teacher, right? Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson as one teacher, and the students, how many students will be there? 25 students will be there. Then close parenthesis. Again, one more parenthesis you have to close. How? For the outer parenthesis. Now, if you type print school, it will show the nested loops. Now, how to actually get the first output, class 1 teachers? I want to pick this Mr. Naismith. How to pick that? Simply you want to type school. You have to represent two keys in it. One key is class 1, another key is teacher. Inside that, teacher will be there. Now you see Mr. Smith name will be displayed. Got it? Like that you can mention students also. Students value 20 will be displayed. Correct? So this is the nested dictionary. Now we'll quickly move on to the update of multiple keys with update. So you can use multiple keys. How to use multiple keys for updating, we'll see. Already we got, I'll type one variable student. Now you see student variable is there. Now I wanted to actually multiple time I wanted to update. That is multiple keys I wanted to update in one command that you do. Now I want to update name equal to some other name, and I want to add GPA also in it. Okay, like that we can do it. How? Let us see student dot update. You have to use update for one or more. That is, you want to add 2 items, 3 items like that. Then you have to use update. Update. Then student dot update. Then here braces. So wherever you mention braces, it represents dictionaries. Name equal to Raj. Instead of alias, Raj. Okay, now comma. I want to add new item in it. So what is the item is GPA. Now I mention the GPA value. Close braces, then close parenthesis. Print student. You will see the name is changed, Raj, and the new item is GPA is included. So in that way you are to add the multiple keys using update command. Now we will try remove command. Remove item with pop command. Okay, pop will remove the keys. You know that if you mention the keys inside the pop, that will remove the item. Okay. Now I will declare one variable. I wanted to remove GPA. simply try to declare variable student, okay, dot pop GPA. Now I am going to delete this GPA. Okay, you have to mention the key of it, and I wanted to store it here in this. So if you print the student, that will be deleted, GPA is deleted, and the print the remove GPA is stored in that variable. Now we will move on to one more command, clear student dot clear. If you clear, everything will be cleared. Print student, all item empty now, all item is gone. Okay, so that's all the presentation for dictionaries.